love to have something to eat while drinking a cup of tea in a rainy day like this? Do we have to make patties in its usual shape every day? These are the ingredients that we need to make this patty with a new shape. I have 500 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Also 2 egg yolks, better if we can beat them like this. 250 grams of butter. Turmeric powder, cold water, salt. Add some salt to the bowl and a small amount of turmeric, 2 egg yolks and also butter. Then we add water. Finally, we have to mix them well, like this. Don't forget to clean your hands before you do this. You have to mix these ingredients until it becomes a thin dough. I'm going to divide the dough into 2 sections. The dough should be non-sticky like this. Then we have to store it in a refrigerator for about 2 hours. In order to make the patties filling, we need mashed potatoes, mackerel fish, chopped carrots and leeks, onions, garlic, curry leaves, green chili and lime, chili flakes, salt and vegetable oil, also pepper powder. When the cooking clay pot is heated, pour oil into it. When oil is heated, add these ingredients to it, which are onions, green chili, garlic and curry leaves. Mix them well until they get fried. Then we add carrots and leeks. Mix them well until they get a brownish color. Next we add mackerel fish and mashed potatoes. Salt according to your taste. Pepper powder and chili flakes. Now we have to mix all these ingredients together for about few seconds. Switch off the gas and finally we have to add few drops of lime to the mixture. This is the dough we kept in the refrigerator for 2 hours. I separated it into few sections. Now I get some coconut oil and apply it on top of a clean cutting board. I got a small amount from the dough. Use your hands to press it down into a flatter circle. Take the rolling pin and set it on top of the flattened dough. Press down and let the pin rotate as you push it like this. Cut the unwanted edges and create a thin slice like this. These are the few slices I made with a thickness of 3 millimeters. We have to make few of these slices like this. Also, we have to make few of these long rolled strips. It's really easy. You have to roll this and you have to make this long rolled strip. Take the dough wrapper and a spoonful of fish filling, and with your fingers place this in the middle of the wrapper carefully. Fold the wrapper from both sides and also over the filling towards the other edge, and roll the wrapper until it gets a smooth shape. Use water or egg white to seal the edges. Finally, let's wrap this rolled strip around this carefully to create a different shape. We have to continue this procedure as it is. Remember that I'm doing this for the first time. Please ignore if I did something wrong. We have to heat enough oil to deep fry the patties. Once the oil is heated, we can fry the patties carefully. You can fry it one by one or maybe 2 or 3 together. You have to fry them about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn golden brown in the center and slightly darker at the edges. Don't forget to place the fried patties on paper towels to drain the excessive oil. You can now serve these patties with a different shape with tomato sauce or chili sauce. Enjoy!